These 9-inch ironworkers pliers were designed to cut and twist rebar tie wire. What makes them unique are the deep channels on the knurl for a strong grip when twisting and pulling wire.
If the grip is better, it's a plus.
You're less likely to be making slips and mistakes as you're going along, and you can just keep flowing.
The spring-loaded action enables self-opening for a quicker workflow. Exclusive handle tempering absorbs the snap when cutting wire. The hook bend in the handle provides added grip and leverage. There are also induction-hardened side-cutting knives at the hinge.
They're smooth operation, and that, like I said, the cutters and the teeth, how they're grab hold of the wire, no slipping. They feel comfortable as if they were broke in already.
The heavier, forged steel construction makes these pliers a much more durable overall tool. Manufactured in the USA by Klein Tools for professional tradespeople since 1857.
Designed by the trade for the trade, Milwaukee introduces a line of 6-in-1 pliers to provide game-changing productivity. These multifunction pliers feature reaming, wire stripping, nail and staple pulling, bolt cutting, loop making, and wire cutting, allowing professionals to carry fewer tools and get more done on the job site. Maximize productivity with 6-in-1 pliers from Milwaukee.
Now we've released this, the 400mm pliers wrench. The pliers wrench has been designed to have an opening capacity of 85mm. Now what this means in real world terms is if you were working on a piece like this, then not only does this have varying sizes of pieces on it, but obviously quite large. If you were to use an open-ended spanner to work on this type of object, you would actually need not only just the one, but you would need 2 or 3 to accommodate the sizes, but also it's quite a heavy object and no doubt it's going to be quite expensive also, especially if you need to buy 3 of them. Another method would be to use a traditional type of wrench with an adjustable jaw. As you can see, once you apply it to this piece and put some force onto the actual workpiece, when you take the tool away, you'll see that you've actually left marks on the surface of what you've been working on. Now, if you're working on a delicate surface, such as chromed or a plated or plastic surface, applying pressure like this will damage the surface. These fixings are very expensive, so it can be an expensive thing to do this. The pliers wrench, with its perfectly straight and flat jaws, eliminates any risk of damage to the piece that you're working on. As you can see, once you apply the tool to the piece, squeeze down on the handles, you get a perfect fit because of the way that the parallel jaws grip the workpiece. And once you've worked, take the tool away, you can see that there's no damage that's happened to the actual piece. The pliers wrench is also easily adjustable by means of the push button, just as you would see on our Cobra water pump pliers. Now what this means is if you're working on a piece that means you have to change sizes fairly regularly, what you can do with the pliers wrench is you would start on the first piece, so locate the jaws and press the button, lock onto the workpiece, go ahead and work, and when you change down the size, simply adjust again, move on to the workpiece, and you're away. And also you could go to the largest size and open up the jaws as wide as they'll go, and there's 85mm. Now the pliers wrench also has the unique feature where you can use it in a ratchet type principle. So if you're working on the piece and you need to remove and re-sight as you would normally with a spanner, with the pliers wrench you simply release the pressure on the bottom handle, slip it around, and away you go again. So you don't actually have to take the tool off the workpiece to get the job done.